Them grab me up, ask me for me name, carry acoustics. And by the time me fiancé in the Jeep, me dead with a whole heap of things to say. But man, I tell you, I'm innocent. I'm not guilty, Your Honor. No, I'm innocent.
Yeah, deadly beats through the people. Welcome, I get to know I said the word.
Heartbeat beating down the street.
One Army Entertainment.
One Army.
Save you.
Save you.
Outside. Yeah. I'm going on tour right now, guys.
Alright, give them a preview.
Nah, go away.
Good life.
Watch it now.
It's a good look. Watch it now.
Next big on the side now. Carry on cooking this.
Yeah, I was in the middle of going away. Watch it now.
I hate people.
When them say same, yeah?
I hate people, you know? Brand new state of the
Brand new. Production, yeah.
Huh?
Your production this.
Yeah. Deadly beats.
Deadly beats.
135. One Army. Yeah, man. Artists also made fun of rhythm, man. Dig it.
Yeah. Watch it now, no. When them say same. So they go to the dream and carry acoustics. They know where something go. Watch it now, yeah. They about after 4. Me say the cops them kick off my door. Them run in under bare brute force and a bare big gun. Me never seen a 4-4. Them grab me up, ask me for me name, carry acoustics. And by the time me fiancé in the Jeep, me dead with a whole heap of things to say. But man, I tell you, I'm innocent. I'm not guilty, Your Honor. No, I'm innocent. Watch out now. I said I'm innocent. Not guilty, Your Honor. No, I'm innocent. Watch out now. Well, on the way I got to the station. We get a bad man interrogation. Them say I better man talk from now cause I'm trouble. When me reach down them watch out. Them say me can't get duty counsel. One phone call where this all amount to. I'ma know I'm not a criminal. I'ma know all I'm right, so no deal me suffer. I'm innocent. I'm not guilty, Your Honor. No, I'm innocent. Watch out now, when them say same. They go to the dream. Carry acoustics, hear that? One team, one dream, deadly beats, One Army. Watch out now. Hear that?
Jamaica, good life. Tell them where they can find me.
You know what thing, man? Instagram, man, at youth with the dream. You see me I say? Youth _ with _ the _ dream. You see me I say? It's so like all my wife call me. You see me I check on the youth with the team. Watch it.
Yeah, star, you.
Yeah, I
have to reach far.
Your acoustic said way, but big up the team and Lance, big up himself. You know a giant outside, willful, skillful and Bram Kush, you know a thing now. You see me I say, the young producer them there to say, you see me I say, you know a thing go. Mad move man, you know Steve you get thing go.
Introduce yourself.
Say no, I'm ready, Ink is in Caution Music, Ink Movement, save you.
Future.
Oh yeah.
Pure future in
You see me
here.
I say.
One nation.
Alright man, One Army Entertainment to the world.
One Army to the world.
Yeah, see the people.
Deadly beats.
I leave the street.
Deadly bees. There's nothing but gold I leave the studio.
Yeah.
Yeah, your voice, you. But
One time, man, that's it.
Platinum,
Just time,
man.
that's it.
time of the master.
Right, wait, man, said wait.
So how long now you doing this music?
You know, good while, me I tell you now about, me how much now, 23?
Yeah.
10 years from 23, me at 30, though, so yeah, me da do it from them time, that's it. You see, long time from group, in a group, band, bag of things, so we just go and do it, said we do. See me I say? Yeah, only for something in the making, only for something forward, you see me I say? Yeah, you know the thing go.
Sure.
Deadly Beats, One Army, Kira Acoustics, and Trouble, brother.
Trouble, man. Trouble. So what inspired you to drive with this music?
What inspire me still? Well, alright, you see, from a longer time, me just like music, you see me I say, so I never really know, say, you could like sing, like, you see me I say. But overall, still I just, alright, music overall, hip-hop, dancehall, you know, the whole 14, them long time songs, them old souls, you know, some artists said we all heap of artists inspire me, so I can't even call a name like say, yo, that person they make me start the music, or you see me I say?
Yeah.
Or really say, you see me I say, cause we just love it from a longer time, you see me I say, and true Seaview too is a musical place. Let me tell you, really, I'm a community make me start do music. Cause it's just like a flow, it's like a fever, brother. From your liver Seaview, you have to catch a fever, bro.
Yeah,
you hear that?
True.
All when you're an artist, everybody must say all that to the artists. I just
the
the flow. You see me I say? And Seaview full of talented youths too. Cause you see me I say, you like Rally Banks, DI1, G Dardy, you know, Segi Inc. them, you see me I say?
Yeah.
You know, when them Night Owl, them a whole heap of youth up and coming right now where the world needs to hear, need to see, you see me I say, I need for aware of right now, you see me I say?
Right now.
Cause youth them out and gunning, you see me I say? Yeah,
Right, can you see this program now?
Yeah, man, you see
The
me I
program
say?
now with the highlight the positivity and the culture and the lifestyle in the inner city. Cause we don't really say ghetto no more, we say inner city.
Yeah,
So-
so I think Garrison said we.
Yeah. So you know we're gonna show them the lifestyle and talent like only there's a loads of one of the city I like.
Well, you know, I saw it come on underprivileged and them things. You see me, I say, I just saw the thing go. You see me, I say, that's why I'm glad say Deadly Beats there. Because when I come in here, I see you them states of one man there I saw Bill Rhythm and the next man there I saw Bill Rhythm. I said, John, what dog, that just make me feel good in myself. Like, I feel a different type of way, bro. It's like, I can't see how the man them really help you. Them like, I don't know, joke thing, brother. I don't know. Yo, I can't come in the studio, bro. Yeah. You see me, I say, them I show you them love, brother. You see me, I say that, and them a record, them link me, I say, yo, Kiri. Richards link me, I say, yo, Kiri. Never read him feel, whatever. You see me, I say, so, when I realize that them not really left out the artist, that every artist, I realize I come around here and they like the energy. And I like the whole vibe.
Yeah. We like the unity. Yeah.
You see me, I said, set speed.
And Jamaica good life there for highlight, you know, see
Yeah,
them way.
good life, you know, we love good life, said we. Watch it.
Yeah. Nothing to beat the good life.
No beat it for Jenna, even though it takes.
So, and that's how we are put it to the world.
Yeah.
Have to push out the talent them. There's
Just
too
like
much.
that.
We show the hustler them see me, the people them must sell them
Yes,
shop.
yeah.
You see me, the chef.
Kira
them.
Acoustics, I do it for 10 years. Who know how much more years me have to do it for up till I actually get a break till something actually go on for me. So I have to just go and do it though.
Yeah, don't give up.
Can't give up. Keep trying, keep moving, as me I say. Someday we will make it there, as me I say.
Definitely.
Watch I know there's gonna be a better day. You see me?
One day.
So them know a thing man said way man. When them see me them say same, see you to the dream. You see me I say? A whole heap of thing in store. You see me I say? You can check out the previous thing them said way.
Yeah.
I look at album /EP named You to the Dream said way. You see me I say? And a few other singles, Relationship, Rain or Fall, Sacrifices, you know, some look thing. And we have a whole heap more thing in the pipeline.
Yeah.
I tell them.
So
Whole heap.
yeah,
You can't even count the amount of songs we have for release.
So I give them another thing.
Yeah man, we have all video for drop man. The Rain or Fall video drop next month. You You see me I say officially.
That sound like a song for the ladies.
Yeah man.
Oh, me know.
You a go girl, and you don't see the rain a fall. Yeah. Where you really going? Now where you want to see me do, girl? Like you want to see man a ball when you're gone. Watch you now we seal the deal, you sign the contract. Me have the key, if you pull your padlock, me say go on your knee. Well I want this man a squeeze, but you muscle contract. You know you gonna leave for the better branch back. But you gone so long, you better start chatting as a matter of fact. Girl go round about, oh take off your clothes, make me beat up if I to watch you now, yeah. Well, you a go girl, you not see the rain a fall, yeah. Where you really going, where you want to see me do, girl? Like you want to see man a ball when you gone. Watch you now I win, man I winning at the competition. Underrate me, think me da pop down, but anything or anything me nah back down. She will want a daughter, but me deliver son. She want to try everything on the ground. She about carry and not ready for come. Me say not ready for come, girl. We a lock down, girl. Me a love you now till like kingdom come. Me move vex if you go, girl. Cause you not see the rain a fall. Watch you now. Let's do them say, let's eat, bro. Video for that song there. Oh, shot and gunning. You see me I say, shot and stunning the youth them name too.
Yeah.
We shoot willful, skillful, video set speed too. So, you know it's straight, guys. You see me I say, we just go and link with the service.
2020.
You see me right now, our year. You see me I say, just see it clear. Let me take off all my eyeglasses. You see my eye, brother?
See far and see near.
Real. I feel like a piece of energy from me, like.
Yo.
You see me I say?
Yeah.
Nobody can stop me. Nothing can stop me. Look on my face, I'm serious, bro. Nothing can stop me.
Nothing.
Real, bro.
And you say third there?
Yeah.
Real faith and work.
You see me I say?
No.
Long time in my journey, so I just experience. You see me I say it bring forth the little wisdom when I kind of have, and you see me I say my understanding of people and everything. You see me I say, so I just try to keep it on a neutral level. You see me I say?
See your music, it's very emotional, you know?
Yeah,
Touching.
I know me as a singer still.
Yeah.
I like the whole lyrics.
So
I try incorporate my lyrics them. You see me I say I try articulate myself as best as how I can. You see me I say I don't like the whole one when you hear a song from Kiri Acoustics, you're supposed to feel like say, Jano, how Kiri Acoustics really sit down and I think whether you come from, who is him, who, you have to try know who is Kiri Acoustics. You want to know, you want to hear more. When you hear one song, you're supposed to want to hear the rest of the catalog. So
Yeah.
I just did it so I think there. You see me I say,
True,
yeah, man, real way, man. You see?
You're a spiritual guy?
Yeah, you know one thing, guys. You see me I say we believe in a creator, you know say. You see me I say all life and all things are through the creator. You see me I say, and we have to give thanks. You don't know me read my psalms them for no regular set my tone. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Chant my thing and like a bubble and burn up bad man and light all fire to him rain.
See?
You see it? But watch it now still, you see it?
To the world you garbage,
Right.
True.
You see it?
See, Jamaica, good life.
You see me? Jamaica good life. Watch it now, cause now I'm there the mute I put me up on the internet and the youth. Watch it now. When them see me, them say steam there, Kiri Acoustics, the youth to the dream there. I represent for Jamaica good life. Watch it now. Cause I'm gonna be fine all by myself. Can't bother with relationship, bro. Jamaica good life. Watch it now. No. Oh dear. Hear that?
Bad fun.
Well full.
Let's go on now. Jamaica good
What them
life.
say? Essence?
Naturally.
Actually.
I'm going bad fun.
They ain't the sea view and give them a
Yeah,
good
right.
view.
You saw Deadly Beats. You see me, I go on vibe, dog.
Yeah.
So the energy stay, man. Is it?
Yeah, born and grow. Sea view man too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Introduce yourself, me them know fully.
I dance all power forward. You understand me? I say from you hear that, need that here in the morning. You know what I mean? But they have to score. So me I say,
For sure.
goal have to score.
Yeah, but they know something.
Essence, born and grow, see you. You see me I say, see? Sing J, DJ. You understand me I say?
Yeah.
Different style, different pattern, everything from everybody. Naturally, you see it?
But them here where you have then.
Oh, you want to kick off something?
Well, you have to. You will think.
Yeah, man. One day, though.
See there.
One day. Hear me now? Hard time for break chain and bust shackle. Jump the obstacle. All of his score, so get ready for bust tackle. Shame everybody when you said them must have you. Hear me out now. We are gonna make it one day. One day, me river, but we are gonna cross one day. Just work hard and pray you make it one day. To go through one day, to go work one day, to go up my one day. I humble you for stay. Chana go make you hungry. Remember the strongest man get the heaviest weight. Though me know where you are face, I mash up your head space, yeah. And more time it seems the devil escape. Find himself in your wheel when you hold your head straight. You stay real and some fast is still fake. I test fate, just pray and get it off your chest plate. Car you do the work and the boss get paid. It's like how you cook the food and them share the best plate. Listen what I'm telling you. Failure no in a my dictionary no. Work hard till the day your family bury you. And when you make it, I beg you not left your friend enough. Because me know you have a heavy load. And the road to success it is very rough. Believe me, me feel you, me know you have enough. But anytime you feel like giving up, tell yourself one day, me the river but you are gonna cross one day. Just work hard and pray you make it one day, man.
One day.
Yeah.
I have to make it one day.
Positiveness to you, them see what I say?
See that?
Yeah, cause right, they say they know. You have to have them energy that should have to you, know.
Without positivity, you know, we don't see it, you know.
Nah, go right, you see me? We can do it something them same way. We have to have that something concrete in a dance, and you see me I say?
Right,
Yeah,
okay.
man. Cause to the state where you're early, you know, you have to teach you them right thing. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Natural.
And that's the one way, positive way.
Positive way, one way.
Jamaica
Everything I go
good
work
life
out one
way.
day.
Yeah.
Jamaica good life, man. They are deadly beats, man. The dance are poor forward. Carry acoustic there. See me I say?
Yeah.
Egbert top selector, you don't know Lance. You see me? Just the
Egbert.
energy of the vibe.
Top selector.
Yeah, and the gums.
The decades.
Bad fall. Wagwan bad fall. Keep it thick by your belly. Bad fall. Bad fall. Wagwan bad fall. You want to hear a different side?
There.
Alright. Bad fall. Wagwan bad fall. Keep it thick by your belly. Bad fall. Wagwan bad fall. Keep it thick by your belly. Bad fall. Make sure you no left it when you roll. Keep your teeth by your belly. Bad fall. Me here, say them a try can't bad fall. So keep it thick by your. Watch your style yeah. We no soft like sponge, man rough, scotch bright, fat car, fat bike. We no stop and stop light. We have vibes, girl them are the hot type. Real bad phone now, black fight. Big matic, bad belly, clock type. So you know we ends up flat type. Right. Them no like see the girl them on the bike, but that's why we see the whole of them on walk by. So bad phone, one bad phone.
One time.
Bad phone. Naturally, hear that? Yeah, man.
Naturally.
So that's how energy go. See me I say?
See view with it.
See view with them.
See that.
I school this, I college this. You see me? And if you're not wrong,
Universe.
if you're not wrong,
University.
see you produce most dancehall artists out there for your community. Smart challenge
Yeah.
that.
Yeah,
That's true.
community, bro.
Smart challenge that. Me
So
not
my
talk like
biggest name them
Spanish.
to bro, no joke.
You understand what I say?
Yeah, that.
Yeah.
A man like Egbert can speak to them about that himself.
Yeah, that's
No
true.
joke.
If I was a shabba, bounty killer, boom dynamite, elephant man.
Yeah.
You see me, I'm many and
Innocent crew, them man.
innocent crew.
Yeah, man.
Guns and laps.
I'm beneath the country, them and them man.
Yeah,
them.
Yeah. Man, them stop.
We
Can't stop
need-
calling me.
I will not talk about now.
That a bus already. Cause the dancer you have
Giant.
gun at them ready now for shoot.
Right.
And right now. And if you go start calling name again.
Yeah, stop.
Too much.
Trouble.
Trouble.
Be a gunner.
CP Inc.
You hear that?
Yeah.
Whole heap of people.
I don't know you general meaning.
Yeah, I know.
I know you general.
When I say super cat and them legendary.
Mm-mm.
You understand me I say? Barrington leave them get peace alone.
Yeah, man, I know about it anyway, man.
Lady Pacha. Only where he's about the same thing, man.
Richie
No for them, man.
Stevens.
You see me?
No for them.
Richie Stevens sing with VA Records.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we are talking about come from CV, we are talking about. We're not talking about from there.
Production wise.
Yeah, we're not talking production, we're talking about.
But him have some family. If him have family, him have family, them down here,
His sister,
bro.
he never live here, and brother, you said he was junior. Him live like brother.
And them sister,
Him sister, he was.
Master, man.
Yeah.
But-
And him next sister, he was from scheme too. After your son, them in
I
scheme
can't
with
give
him.
it to Stevie, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
yeah,
Yeah,
Said we, yeah.
You claim Stevie to them, man. So see you.
So you see, it is a great place, you see me, and man like me there to carry on the work and the
I
place,
like
you see
top
me, I say-
selector them out of road and see
You see me, the man them set a standard boy which we can trap that, you understand what I say? See, so we have to push out great music as well what people can relate to. You understand? See if we can go create an impact in the world. You see what I say? So that's the mission and that's I'm trying to see it.
Not to mention Wayne Smith.
Yeah, bro. Don't forget all Wayne
I
Smith.
first man will put computer
Rhythm, bro. Rhythm pan computer in a Jamaica, bro.
Talent there, man.
bro.
Right through, man.
The website details with them can find them.
Alright, here we go, I'm going to explain
Yeah.
my essence. You see me?
Yeah.
My essence means 6 cents. You see me? See it? So watch this now. It's a double S start my name now. E no started. SSENSE. 6 cents my name mean. And I don't know me I say so. Years. Pre-YouTube. Type in that on YouTube. You see me? And so much years I have that set. You understand me? I say we say third eye vision. You see it? See it? So when I just blabber so I mean in the behind the thing. You understand? So watch this now on Instagram. Essence own zone. Essence underscore own zone. You understand me? I say, see, because you don't know more time I go in my own zone. You understand? Yeah, that's right. A bag of lyrics and a bag of shit. There was a musician, man.
Yeah.
And people say, oh, mad, you know.
Weird.
More time I sit down now, we all talk to yourself and listen to watch out. I get mad, but at the eater forward. You understand me? I say, the meds will go
I said, dog, yeah, see you.
Yeah.
Me have to go rope, bro. From the world. So.
You see that? Yeah, man.
Fin element man, your own
You
zone.
said the right word. You said the right
Yeah,
word.
man,
So
you feel-
Instagram essence underscore own zone. I remember I said the essence spell SSENSE. You see me? Facebook essence. You see me? Twitter essence as well. You hear that? Email essencenaturally@gmail.com.
Right.
You hear that? Yeah, man. And they say them, man. Anyway, they say you can find me. You see? If you look on YouTube there, you see me? Google me there too.
See you.
You understand? See it? And if you really want to find me, watch over there.
Right, right.
Yeah, you know that. Yeah, man.
Yeah, bad
I
for.
know the drill, man.
They are right.
Bad for all of them town.
See them.
You hear that?
Watch you now.
Hey.
Do a thing, man. You see me, I said. You see with them say, see him there. See you, them with the dream there. Said way again. You see me, I said. I know a thing, man. All the time, I said way.
Engineer, yeah.
Beats, bro.
Right down that beats.
Yo, from a party, the man that look up, bro.
No,
I'm
easy.
talking to him, I say, yeah, that's bro. That's the way you.
Future, man.
Yeah, it is one zone, bro.
One zone.
Man, them one zone.
Yeah.
Show me. That man said.
Not trouble in my own zone. Element.
So he said, not enough for
Yeah, I really like the vibes and the energy.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna feel the music.
Yeah.
So I'm definitely look for greatness.
Greatness there, man.
You see me?
2020 is a blessing.
Yeah,
The
see
whole
it,
heap of artists
man.
from Boyago busting at 2020.
You see me?
Yeah. But
But
what they
I
are,
campus, man.
but what they have for highlight when you see me, you know.
They
You
know
know,
that,
just a
man.
good life there. Can't give the strength that we can give CM.
You see that tune in good life. You see
So
me?
this is why we're here. So I'm not gonna say a lot. I go in the strength.
I'm gonna go follow Jamaica
So-
good life.
Yeah,
man.
man,
Instagram, bro.
Check it out on YouTube, man.
I want them to their record.
Right now, YouTube and IG.
Come over and student and say, man. I like it. I say, yo, brother, I'm reach at the studio.
Trouble!
Trouble.
Sure.
See
Just say,
that?
I'm man.
So,
There.
I know we're there.
There.
Yeah, bro.
Jamaica, good life.
There.
See there?
Yeah.
Deadly beats.
That's what's up back on
See
good life,
there?
yeah?
That's who I could sell.
Good life, good life.
Good life.
Straight up.
See there?
Good life.
Watch out now.
So look out for it.
You hear that?
Whole heap of vision. See him tell us a whole heap of dream. The essence tell you.
Yeah, man, naturally.
Everywhere.
Bad fun.
Everywhere. Lance.
Good life.
Over there.
See there, you work on the ground,
See there? The Empress here.
But they have to pay the whole I sang.
Future. Engineering, name owner zone. So you know the thing go. Them lock and load, yeah? So save you. We give them a lot of preview.
Naturally.
Deadly beat.
Deadly beats.
Yes, I.
Hey.
Kick it to singer. Kick.
No, yeah. No. Cause I'm gonna be fine all by myself. Can't bother with relationship. See it no. Watch it no, yeah. I don't wanna know why my ex-girl fakes. Can't bother with relationship. See it no. Remember cut the chat now, watch you now. And if you ask me about no relationship, me tell you baby, ship there, see it. And you can't catch any money in your trap, but God know you can't catch me. Watch you now, me don't join the commitment. If I die to the pre, I gotta leave. Only thing man commit myself to all the music and a good drawing. I mean I really care where them want say. I mean I care if them want vex watch ya. And if you don't want support me, well guess what? That's for your business, watch ya now. I mean I care where them want say. I mean I care if them want vex. For the dog them where I hold it out and the girl them where I talk it out.
Hey. But
Watch out now, them see there. See
you
him there.
You the dream there.
Watch out now.
Essence.
Naturally go fire now. Watch us
Yeah.
fire now. Tell me then. How you feel hype and not know when vanity no bird more than your little dirty friend. Remember we used to share the same car me and parade with this was a not neck. Dad, know your roots and know your something gen. Make sure say I remember say if you fall on your face you not gonna see no family. I'm sure you not gonna see friend. Oh you know give mommy money like you know fi spend. You want for flash with you do together just like the drug is there. And just true is a little get a girl that breathe a drive past a little youth. Go on like you don't see them. Nothing that way, nothing dead. Naturally dog.
Naturally.
And that's how they
Watch
come
out,
dog.
yeah.
Deadly beats.
Hold up, man. Watch out
See.
now.
Man.
Okay, man. Jamaica good life again.
No,
Watch out now, no. Isn't it?
When you say no scene there, ain't that look at the dream there.
Jamaica good life. Hear that? Keep it thick but you
Jamaica good life. Good life. Good life. Nah.
Real.
I ever select that kind of thing first.
Good life.
Yeah man, full
Jamaica
flight.
good life.
Yeah, man, say that, man.
Give me the
But the girl them bubble like when I
No,
post
man,
Sprite.
that's
Hold on,
the
man.
Yeah, you better bubble like when I'm a post
Man
cry.
sponsor that.
Yeah, so one I did it.
You man?
We
You
the
are
program. I see the program in Jamaica
Good
Good
Life.
Life. We are highlight the lifestyle, the culture, the positivity in the inner city.
Alright.
You see me, ambitious people. There. So yeah, try man.
But the bad so he's down to them town, you don't say with there no deadly beats. Representing with the thing them call good life. But yeah, man, so them and I save you with it. Big up all of the positive people. I get me and say, we are uplift the community them right now. And I'm matter of fact, save you at the #1 place in the world right now for that. Musically, full of joy. Right, just all of the joy. Right, just all of the thing them happen. Should I there with there? So here one man, whole heap more things to happen. That's studio there, some big hits. You don't know save you, some big names, and you don't know say flight there. But the bad so make you get them bubble like when I pull Sprite. Me have a 45, 238, the Kalish the coffee grease up like a dirty plate. 116, pull up a some of the gate. Hey girl, you got the goal, hey. You got the goal, chat. You know long than the bow and wine. But the bad so is down to them town.
To the world, Jamaica Good Life. Eat there.
There I know me G.
Alright.
Good life.
if you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must.